All right, so wrapping up a lesson usually means running back through your content, making sure you hit all your key points, and then creating a summary at the end so that your learners have a nice, concrete breakdown to remind them of those key points, right? Now, usually creating a summary like that takes me some time, right? There's a lot to distill down, but let me show you how quickly you can create a summary of your course with AI Assistant in Rise. So I'm going to click on our AI blocks here, and then I'm also going to click on our AI summary. And here I can give AI Assistant some extra context, like I want this summary to be, X sentences long or use 3 bullet points, what have you. But I'm going to go ahead and just say, AI Assistant, you take the lead, reference my course and reference my learning objectives to create a summary. You can see just like that, I have a summary that I can now react to, I can make edits to, of course, but it's a really great jumping off point for me and saved me a bunch of time. So try this out in Articulate 360 today with AI Assistant.